In today's class, we are going to look at SOD. What do I call it? SOD. This is another interesting topic in mathematics that gives most students problem. So we want to look at it and make it easy for them. So look at the question on the board. The question says, without using table, find the values of this. Find the value of this. What is on the board? We want to find the value without using table or calculator. Follow me as we go ahead. Yes. If you look at this, these are two fractions, two solved fractions. So how do we solve it? We solve it as we solve fraction, like 2 over 3 plus 4 over 7. The way you solve this fraction is the same method you solve this. How do you solve this? You find the LCM and add together. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is the same thing as you find the LCM. Don't forget, when you have 2 over 3 plus 3 all over 7, for example, you want to find the LCM. Another way of getting LCM is just to multiply this together. So the LCM will just be 3 times 7, which is 21. Then you solve. You said, how many 3 can you see in this? Then you use the value 3 in the 7. 7 times 2 will give you 14 plus. So, and so on. So the same way, you find the LCM. The LCM of this and this is, you just multiply this with this. So let's draw our divisor line. So it becomes root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus root 3. That will be the LCM. Then when you now divide each of these divisor with this, when you use this to divide this, this will cancel out this, you'll be left with this. Then use this to multiply the numerator. So it now becomes 1 plus root 2 multiplied by this. Are we together? Together we are. Yes. This multiply with this. If you don't understand, feel free to ask me any question with my WhatsApp link or the comment section of this video. You can ask any of your questions. So as we go along. Now, this is this. Then plus, when we use this to divide this, this will cancel out this and we'll be left with this. So this multiplied by that, we now have 1 minus root 2 multiplied by this. Don't forget to increase the line of divisor. Plus root 3. Good. Are we together? Stay tuned and see how we solve this to the end so that you will be able to solve any question that look like this in JAM or your Y question. This is standard question. Even in other level of the university, this is what you will be taught. So you must be good in SOD if you are a good student that needs to be in university. So look at this, take it serious. For parents that are watching this, you can download this and give it to your children to watch at home. Now how do we continue from there? We try to expand this numerator, or everything here, we expand it. What do you mean by expansion? Use what is in the bracket to multiply the other one. When 1 multiply this, we have root 5. When 1 multiply minus root 3, we have minus root 3. When root 2 multiply root 5, we have plus root 10. When root 2 multiply minus root 3, we have minus root 6. Are we together? Together we are. Yes. Now, we have expanded this. We move to the next one. Then plus 1 multiply root 5 is root 5. 1 multiply plus root 2, that is plus root 3 rather. Minus root 2 multiply root 5 gives you minus root 10. Minus root 2 multiply plus root 3 gives you minus root what? 6. Then you draw your divisor line. Then you do the same to the denominator. Root 5 multiply root 5, that will give us 5. For those that doesn't understand how we got that, when any number multiply, the root of any number multiplied itself is that number. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. Root 1 million multiplied by root 1 million is 1 million. So now that you have gotten that, root 5 multiplied by root 5 is 5. Root 5 multiplied by root minus root 3, that's minus root 15. Root 3 multiply root 5 is plus root 15. Root 3 multiply minus root 3, that gives us minus 3. Are we together? Together we are. Now, if you look at it, we collect like terms. If you look at this critically, root 5 has another root 5 here. So root 5 plus root 5 is 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Then, that means we are through with that and this. Minus root 3 plus root 3 is 0. So that one cancel out. Then we come to root 10. Root 10 minus root 10. That is 0 also. Then minus root 6 minus root 6. That is minus 2 root 6. Are we together? Then your divisor line. Very simple. Then we color line times 5 here. 5 minus 3, that's 2. Minus root 5 plus root 5. Minus root 15 plus root 15 cancel out 0. So we have all this all over 2. We can rewrite the numerator as 2 into root 5 minus 2 minus root what? 6 minus root 6 all over 2. Then 2 can cancel 2. Then we'll be left with root 5 minus root 6. That is the final answer. All these bogus fractions has been resolved to this. So that's the final answer. If you derive any joy, any value in this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you can see another amazing video like this, and share with your friends. Comment and send out your questions. I will be there to answer your questions. Together we shall succeed in life. Bye for now.